Hey, want to make some cool and amazing science projects? My name is Madhur Chaudhary of class 8B, Delhi Public School, Muzaffarnagar. Today I will tell you how to make a simple at home kaleidoscope. There are 3 steps to make a kaleidoscope.
First things first.
Gather 3 identical rectangular mirrors and join their longer sides with sellotape. Ensure that the reflecting side is on the interior.
Second.
This step is totally optional. If you want to fill the mirror with some beads and other stuff, then take a small triangle mirror and close one side of the object so on with it.
Third things third.
Your kaleidoscope is almost ready. Just decoration part is left. Take a colorful paper and cover your kaleidoscope with it. And then comes the creativity part. Do decorate it the way you want, and it's your imagination. And that's how your kaleidoscope is ready. Here are some images that my kaleidoscope formed. We'll return with more science project tutorials. Till then, sayonara.